What is up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Yeah, so we're gonna be coming at y'all with another truck video today. We're gonna be replacing the harmonic balancer on the front of the motor, so y'all stay tuned. We gotta run some errands real quick. Once we run these errands, we'll go ahead, we'll get back to you. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some truck shit today. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead, we just gonna get on down to the nitty-gritty. So currently, you know, we were working on the truck, so got the clutch fan off. So now we kind of got distracted, so now we're messing with the dirt bike. I don't even know why we're messing with the dirt bike. We're just messing with the dirt bike because we want to mess with the dirt bike. So y'all stay tuned and see if we can get this bitch started. We've been messing with it for like the past 30 minutes. So I'm sorry about the wind. It is kind of windy out here, so I apologize for that. But you know, let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing started. So, you know, while he's messing with that, I was like, well, shoot, I don't want to just like stand around and do absolutely nothing. So we're just gonna get to painting some stuff. Let's get to it. Honestly, it's really honestly too windy to paint. Actually, like you can see by the field and everything moving out there. But I was kind of like, I was honestly kind of like, screw it. You know, we're just gonna do it anyway, so I was just like, forget it. So we're gonna go ahead and I guess attempt to paint with the wind blowing. That's kind of stupid, but we're gonna try it anyway. So let's just go ahead and get to that shit. So honestly, you know, most people when they're painting with a rattle can, you know, everybody's just, you know, freaking spraying it on. They're like, hell no, that's not the way you do it. Look. So honestly, you know, my truck's black, so I went ahead and I got the Krylon, the Fusion all-in-one paint and primer. I'm telling you, this is like the best stuff in the world. Like Krylon, like as much as I use your stuff on my hood, my tailgate, my door panel, and the truck, like y'all should really sponsor me and give me some free spray paint. But you know, anyway, so we're not gonna ask for any free stuff because that's not what we're here for. So anyway, you know, the wind kind of blowing, so that kind of sucks. So you know, we're gonna kind of start on the inside, and you know, as you can see, it's a little bit dirty in here. So we just gonna, don't worry, we're gonna solve that issue. We're gonna come right on over to here, and honestly, it don't matter that it's rusty. We're gonna go ahead and get some of this steel wool right here. I want to say the steel wool's a 3, I believe. It's something like that. But anyway, so I'm gonna come on over here on my painted surface already, and I'm gonna just scuff it up a little bit. Like, you don't have to press down on it real hard. You don't want to scar the paint. You honestly just want to take your steel wool and get all this right here. And what you do is you want a smooth surface. You don't want no rough spots in the surface at all. So if you can feel rough spots and it ain't smooth, just go ahead, keep on going. Just keep on going over it. Because you want to make sure that that your whole entire hood and your paint is smooth. Because if it ain't smooth, you ain't gonna have it ain't gonna look very good. Okay. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna finish this hood. Once I finish sanding it down with the steel wool, I'll get back to you and we'll start, prepping and getting ready to paint. See the thing. God bless. Okay, so anyway, you see, the whole entire point of even using spray paint to paint is you gotta just literally thin coats. Like, you gotta start off with a thin coat, and just gradually get thicker with it. So you'll come in here just like this, just spray a thin coat on it, and then later on we'll come back and we'll hit with another light coat. Because honestly, the biggest thing that actually really sucks about using spray paint is, half the time it's really hard to even see what the heck you're doing. So, but anyway, I'll do a quick time-lapse video for y'all so y'all can watch me do this hood, because I know y'all don't want to sit around and just watch me slowly spray paint all day. So let's go ahead and get back into it.
Hold up with us down 3/8. We're doing something. I'll let your boy.
Holla at your boy for all them special needs and repairs. So damn it, you need your old lady fixed up, we'll fix her up too, damn it. Shit, put a new front bumper up there, a new grill. Give her some bigger titties too. Oh, my fault, I forgot I can't say titties on YouTube. Son of a bitch.
What?
What? Oh shit, never mind. Oh damn, I forgot I couldn't say that neither on YouTube, damn it. It's okay. It's okay. They can't demonetize me. I don't even have 1,000 followers to even monetize the channel to make money. So what are they gonna do? Freaking send me that? That is mine. That is mine. I think I put it back in the truck. Yeah. It's honestly, it's kind of weird when you gotta make a YouTube video and you're sitting here, you're talking to your phone by yourself. Like, it's kind of weird. Honestly, you're the first person I ever made a YouTube video with, because it's kind of weird when you gotta sit here and talk to the camera. And everybody's like, what the hell are you doing? You should have seen me in Lowe's. Backseat. back seat. It's not my fault.
You ain't got that damn phone. You be lost.
That is not true. It's different when I gotta use it for work. I mean, I gotta use it for work now. I mean, YouTube is like officially my job since I've been sitting at the house doing absolutely nothing. I was like, screw it. I was like, instead of doing nothing, I was like, let's make some money. Even though I don't do it for the money, I'm just doing it just because I ain't got nothing better to do. And I was
Wait,
like,
YouTube send y'all money?
YouTube will send you money after you hit like 1,000 subscribers and 7,000 hours of watch time. YouTube will monetize you, and then you can make money off of it. But it takes a while to get there, honestly. So, I mean, it can't be so bad.
Damn.
Yeah, that's all right. Now the question is where did I put the new one? Let's go look in this junk pile. Okay, dust covers, rear blocks. Haha. Other side. Trash in my concrete. There you go.
No.
I know, she's so pretty, ain't she?
Don't figure red.
Good option. Really?
New harmonic balance is in.
Thank God. Now all we gotta do is put a jump box on and start it back.
See, it vibrates. And before we start it too, dipstick tube for the
Transmission.
Yep.
That might already be sticking halfway out. No, it's see that's why I'm not like honestly that thing was actually a real pain in my ass to even snap in there. If we're trying to be 100% honest here, it was honestly
a challenge.
yeah, kind of like Monopoly, but on a bigger scale.
Another whistling diesel object.
Yeah. Like, I'm gonna go get that sticker now, and I'm gonna like redo it, and I'm gonna say this dipstick tube means nothing to me.
Your dipstick doesn't matter.
No, I really don't. The hell I need a dipstick for? I don't need to check that one.
Alright, tight.
Boom.
Stop. Get all my balances on.
Accomplished. Now we just gotta put the belt back on the fan. Get so easy. What you doing, Chris? Come here, buddy. You really need one that damn big? This thing's bigger than my head.
There's one tire pump.
What size bolt? Well, I was gonna say I might have one that might work for it. You said what? Well, we know all about that. I've been dealing dealing with things that are too short all my life. I had to go buy a lifted truck to compensate.
Yeah, we know.
And that's sad because I'm half black.
Jesus.
You see, I've always got the short end of the stick. It's kind of upsetting. Oh snap! I forgot. I probably wasn't supposed to say that on YouTube anyway. I'll bleep it out later. Whoops, it's okay. Whistling Diesel says it worse, okay?
That motherfucker got him another squatted.
That's my dude. I love Whistling Diesel. I guess now that I done mentioned his name, I guess I better leave like a link to his channel in the bio too. Like just be like, yep, there's the link. Go check him out. Whistling freaking Diesel. I'll tell you what. Like I was sitting there, I was like, all the cars we got at the daggone salvage yard, and I ain't freaking like Whistling Diesel one of them cars yet. Slap it up there, says this car means nothing to me.
Absolutely nothing.
But you know, don't nobody want to watch me tear up a junk car. You know, I gotta go get a nice vehicle and just tear it up.
That motherfucker got too much money and too much percent. I don't know.
He makes a shit ton of money.
Oh, you can't take my damn challenge away from me, man.
I mean, I'm just saying, I had already messed them up before. Like, literally, I repainted them, and then was like, why the heck did I even paint them? I was like, because if I was going to paint them, then there really honestly was no point. Because, you know, we were going to step on them anyway, but I didn't think about that.
They're working as a grease stick.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. I could probably do it by hand.
Really?
I probably can. That's bad.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Never mind.
Never mind. Here you go. Hey, it's definitely tight now, though.
I'm trying to be Hercules. Hercules.
It's okay. We all gotta be Hercules sometimes. Like honestly, I really thought about like recording us working on Drew's truck, and then I was like, you know what? But if I do that, I'm gonna have to make a whole separate video, because I'm not trying to have like a 45-hour long video. Like this one's already gonna be long as hell, but it'll be okay. Yep.
I did not have to remove the fucking radiator.
Oh
shit! Sorry.
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Done.
Okay. Oh, son of a bitch. Well, I feel like I need to explain myself now, because apparently everybody can see from what I'm wearing, I'm not wearing the same thing I was yesterday. So, I mean, at least y'all got to see us do the harmonic balancer, but I mean, after that, we had to go run and do stuff, and I just lost track of time with all the confusion of us having to do this and do that. We didn't really do much more to the truck. I mean, I think I put the exhaust pipe on one side, and that was about it. So, but no, let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Let me know if y'all want me to make more truck videos, or more videos of us working on cars, or going to car shows. Let me know if y'all want me to do some videos like that. So hopefully I will be coming across some money and getting some stuff to do some gaming videos. So alright, y'all be safe out there. See y'all later.